Hey guys, Josie here in Chicago. So I want to show you how to find your wallet if you did not click on the little icon that said save a copy on your desktop. So what you want to do is you want to go to your files, like so. And you want to go to your downloads or recent files, either one. Then you want to find your wallet that you just downloaded. So if it was this one, you can do a left click and you can send it right to your desktop like that. And then there's your wallet right there. So you can do it that way, or if we put this right back where we had it in the downloads, you could click on there, the setup all over again. Say yes. It's gonna run through the same kind of scenario as before. Let's see, saying about creating the shortcuts. Let me just look through this real fast. Install. It's gonna install again like we did before in the other video. Click on next. Finish. It's gonna go ahead and run the wallet. Remember we were talking about doing the backup? So this is where you can do the backup to put it onto your desktop. And that's actually what I did. If you notice, it's actually right over here, and I named it Backup Wallet. So this is gonna load. We're gonna let that load for a second. Okay, so before you close the wallet, you want to make sure you have a copy at least on your desktop so that you can come back to it right away and not go through all of your downloads and your files. So you click on File, click on Back Up Your Wallet, click on Desktop, and then name your wallet. Click on Desktop here. I already have it, so it's right here. And then you would click on, or you would name it. I put whatever your coin is, Backup Wallet, then click on Save. I'm going to cancel because I already have that done. But once you have that done, then you'll notice that your wallet is right here. Now my Electro wallet, which is here, and I have an Ember wallet that's there as well. When you first set up your wallet, there's sometimes a tab like with these two that says, do you want a desktop shortcut? Just put a check mark that yes. If that doesn't come up, then this is another way that you can put your backup wallet on your desktop so you can see it right away instead of trying to find it in your files. But just wanted to show you guys that part as well. This is Josie. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next training video.